Industry Manager is a very powerful tool for all the industrial invoicing, inventory control, sales and purchase control and accounting. The program has got powerful features to take care of all requirements of a trading and business house and serves as a complete management information system for all the industry. The design of each industry is modular. The data from various modules flows in accounts module and all your final reports are produced at a touch of a button. Each Industry Manager will streamline your business accounting in such a way that through improved management you will see the profitability of your business grow. This modular program keeps detailed information about the product, customer and account you deal with. Apart from the preparing and printing the invoices/letters, accounts management and service control, each Industry Manager keeps your accounts up to date without any effort. Numerous reports are available for viewing and printing where you can keep an eye on the vital indicators about your business. Being Windows-based, each Industry Manager is in tune with the latest computer software technology and will be a long-time companion to your profitable and efficient hospital. Setting up the program is easy. Just double-click the Setup file. Install Shield Setup program will guide you through various steps and the program shall be installed on your computer. Click the Start menu of your computer and locate Start menu folder named each Computer Services and Program folder named each Industry Manager. Click on each Industry Manager to launch the program. This program needs that you set the date format of your computer as the dates are entered by you. Also set the language option of your computer to English. The program first asks you to verify the computer date and time because dates and date format are important in financial accounting. Once you OK the date, Company Setup or Company Open dialog will show up. Here you can set up your company or open and existing company for the selected financial year. Program automatically runs a data testing and backup module every time you start the program. Now the program is ready for use with the company you have opened. The program has following modules: 1 customer module, 2 supplier module, 3 products and stock module, 4 sales module, 5 purchase module, 6 employees module, 7 accounts module, 8 barcoding module, 9 utilities. The program uses Microsoft Access databases powered by Microsoft JET database engine for fast and efficient storage and retrieval of data. Multitasking or carrying out 2 tasks at a time, that is, printing reports or vouchers, is simultaneously possible while viewing the reports or making new vouchers. The program uses Spreadsheet to display all your data on the screen at the same time for easy readability. The program includes built-in tools like Information Export Panel that allows you to export all reports from the program to printer with Print Preview, Email, MS Excel, MS Word, CSV text and also upload to web using FTP. All reports can be displayed in grid as well as in list view in sortable format. Another tool included with the program is Communication Control that is linked to party or customer, supplier or employee records. You can write a communication using Word, Excel or Notepad or send an email to a party. The communication is linked with the party record and can be re-accessed again. Also telephone numbers can be dialed by click of a button using the computer modem. The program has an OCX user interface that makes data entry effortless and editing of all records is possible with ledger and inventory being updated automatically. A number of reports are displayed with graphs. All reports can be exported in various formats as described above. Each business accounting software are barcode enabled. A powerful barcode solution, beginning with the implementation of the each barcode module, streamlines your entire business process. You can collect data by scanning barcode more quickly than ever before, and warehouse and shipping or receiving staff can record barcoded items with a scanner connected to a computer. An array of data can be gathered, validated and verified in this way for not only inventory counts, but also quantities, item numbers and lot or serial numbers of goods shipped and goods received. Instead of time-consuming manual data entry, the data can be easily scanned into the computer to appropriate data field in your each accounting and inventory control system. Inventory errors are very costly to your business. Barcode's advanced features can virtually eliminate data entry errors. Barcode can automate procedures for dozens of employees, and many businesses discover that implementation of a barcoding solution pays for itself with the very first use. This program is equipped with context-sensitive online help to make the whole operation easy for a user. Press F1 key and context-sensitive help will pop up. Here you can get help on using various menu commands of the software. 24/7 and 7 days a week help is provided to you over phone and email. You can also get the software modified by us as per your requirements in a cost-effective and professional manner. You have to send us the list of changes you require in the software so that we can give you an estimate of additional charges applicable for customization. You can purchase the software online by making credit card payments over Secured Payment Gateway, or you can also deposit payment in our bank account from anywhere in the world. See the online order page on our website for the price list of the software. You can also download the software from the website for a free trial. Place your choice today in Adich Industry Manager software and make your business accounting easy to handle. Adich Industry Manager software shall be a reliable companion of your successful business with years of bother-free operation.